Welcome to Enlyte. We're fueling the mission to protect dreams and restore lives by optimizing every step of the claims journey. From auto physical damage and auto casualty to workers' compensation and disability, our reach is broad, but our focus is singular, delivering the best possible claims outcomes. So what sets us apart? Our unmatched expertise includes over 2,000 certified case managers, 65 compliance professionals with more than 750 years of collective industry experience, 78 years of auto repair data, 13 million part details, and so much more. Our broad solutions portfolio includes claims technology and automation, clinical services, PPO and specialty network services that streamline claims information from first report of injury to settlement. All of this allows us to unlock value for our clients by leveraging unique insights across the entire claims journey, while serving as a foundation for continually building new innovations for an even brighter future. At Enlyte, our values aren't just words. They're the foundation of our actions. We do it right by maintaining the highest standards of quality in every interaction. Our Better Together philosophy drives us to collaborate closely with clients and contribute meaningfully to our communities. We simplify complex processes, making life easier for everyone involved in the claims journey. And above all, we strive to delight our customers, turning challenging situations into opportunities for exceptional service and value. Join us as we fuel the mission to protect dreams and restore lives at Enlyte.